Hi all, welcome back to our channel. In this video, it gives an idea of how is configuration maintained in the recruitment module with Odoo 15 and enhances your task very easily within a few clicks. In this module, there are three stages: they are application, reporting and configuration. Under the configuration, you can see different subsections like settings, job position, refuse reason, department and the activity types. By clicking on the settings option, you will get another window describing two sections. They are job posting and recruitment process. Job posting is separated by online posting, which will allows you to post available jobs on your website. And by clicking on this option, it will manage and save the changes whenever needed. Next, you can see two other options under the recruitment process, and they are send interview survey and salary package configurator. By enabling the send interview survey, you can send the interview survey of the candidate when the recruitment process was held. And in the salary package configurator, you can set the permission for duration validity for salary package request for new applications. Now let's look into the following options in the configuration tab. They are job position. So click on that. In this window, you will get the list of details of various job positions, department, expected new employees, total forecasted, hired employees, status, company name, etc. Apart from the list view, here we can view it according to the campaign view also. So to create a new job position, can click on the create icon, and here in this window we can provide the necessary details. So here we can enter the job position. Here we can provide the job description, and here in this recruitment tab we can see the company name and the job location is auto allocated. And then we can choose the website name where you want to add the job position. Then you need to mention which department of the job position is required. And here we can enter the number of expected new employees. So can enter 2 employees here. And in addition, if the job position is published on this website, you can activate the area with a tick mark by just clicking on here. Then you can use the contract template option if you are handling over a default contract with an offer you are supposed to give. And also we have the option to select an interview form to answer or take the print to all the applicants who wish to apply for the job here. And at last, you can add the name of the recruiter in this field. After providing all the details, we can save this. And here you can see certain smart tabs like job application, documents, tracker, go to website, etc. By using the go to website option, you can directly publish the job position on the website. Also, you can create a new job position from the home dashboard of this module. As we have already discussed in our earlier videos, managing recruitment process on your website with Odoo 15. Now let's move on to the next section, that is refuse reason. In this window, you will get some of the refuse reason options along with the description and the email templates. And if you want to add any new refuse reason, you can add and send them to the respective candidate. So to create a new refuse reason, click on the create icon and a new field will appear. Here we can provide the details. So this feature is mainly used if the applicant attempted the interview and didn't fit the qualification, or if the company is not satisfied with the performance. So you can refuse the candidate with this feature. For this refuse option, you can get it by moving into the applications menu and choosing the all application, and then select any candidates you want to refuse. Here we can notice the option refuse, so click on that and a pop-up window will appear, and from this drop down menu we can choose the refuse reason and click on the submit button. So it will be centered to the applicant from here, and here in this window you can see that the applicant is refused. Now let's move on to the next section of the configuration tab, that is department. Here in this section, you will get the details of the Odoo platform has entered already, and it displays different section with its information like display name, company, manager, number of employees, and the parent department. So to create new department, can click on the create icon, and here in this window, we can provide the details. Here we can choose the parent department, and here you can see that the company's name is auto allocated. Then we can choose the manager from here. Then we can enable the custom appraisal template here. So by enabling this, you can see the appraisal template appearing in this window. Then we can choose the appraisal survey from the drop down menu. And then by clicking on this external link, you will get the details of the appraisal survey here. After providing the details, click on the save icon. So the newly created department can be seen here. Now let's move on to the activity types. Here in this window, you will get all the details you have already entered into this platform. So by clicking on this create icon, you can add a new activity type. So here in this field, we can mention the name. And under the action section, you will get a drop down menu, and it includes the options like upload document, phone call, meeting, reminder, request signature, and the tax report. So by selecting the upload document from this menu, you have to define the folder and the tags for quick access, and it can be seen here in this drop down menu. Then we can specify the default user, default summary, default note, trigger, email templates, and also the schedule date here. And if you need to plan the deadline, it is enabled in the schedule field. So you can denote it in the form of month, week, or days here. And you can describe the unit of delay by either the completion of date of the activity or after the previous activity deadline. At this time, you can add the default note in this provided space. The Odoo enables you to schedule various activities based on the operations done by the company. With this module, the Odoo 15 enhances the schedule of different activities effortlessly. So while selecting the applications window, we can select all the application and we can choose any candidate from here. And here you can see different options like send message, log note, and schedule activity. So by selecting the schedule activity from this part, we will get a pop-up window. By adding all the details and assigning a person along with this log note, you can schedule the activity here. It is not only in the recruitment module, the Odoo enhances you to schedule an activity. Based on the operations of your company, Odoo maintains to schedule an activity. So with this video, we have gone through a detailed analysis of how to configure different operations in the recruitment module and schedule an activity. Hope this video was helpful and informative for you. That's all about the video. Thank you for watching.